How to change the voice in Snapchat. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Before that, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of a Snapchat on your device. If you are an Android user, go to the Google Play Store, otherwise go to the App Store and then search for Snapchat application. Make sure you have installed and updated the latest version. After that, you just need to open your Snapchat as it is. After opening, you will see on the right scrolling all the filters are here. Now some of them are the voice changer filters as well. But to search for the specific voice changer filters, what you can do is go to the this icon right here and then search for voice changer filter. Now you will see here are many of the filters. Choose any of it and then click your video, and when you listen to it your voice should be changed by now when you save it. So try it and see if it works or not. So if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.